About a year ago, SmallRig teamed up with PotatoJet to release a pretty revolutionary tripod called the Tribex. Well, now, just over a year later, they're back with another tripod that has the exact same revolutionary hydraulic clutch system, but at about half the price of the original. So SmallRig sponsored this video to showcase the new Tribex SE and some of its awesome features, but personally, this has already replaced pretty much all my other mid-size tripods. Like, this thing's seriously just that good and that fast. Let's check it out. All right, let's check this thing out and take a look at some of the specs. So of course it comes in this padded travel bag right here, and you can already see just how small of a package this is, but let's get it out real quick. So here is the tripod itself. It's crazy that they were able to fit it in such a small package, but it is pretty dense and definitely not as light as other tripods that are going to be a similar size. But again, that really comes down to the unique capabilities of this specific tripod and its hydraulic clutch system, which we'll be checking this out a lot more in depth in just a minute, because this is really one of the most unique features I've seen in any tripod like this, and it makes this pretty much the fastest tripod out there to set up. So different from the original Tribex, which was fully carbon fiber, this one's actually made out of aluminum, which is still great quality and looks really good, but aluminum's obviously not quite as light as something like carbon fiber. But the thing is, this version still ended up being the exact same weight as the original Tribex. Now it's mostly because it is a smaller and more compact size. It's possible they could have gotten the weight down a little bit more with carbon fiber, but that also would have affected one of the best parts about this, which is its price. So like I just mentioned, this is half the price of the original Tribex with that exact same hydraulic clutch system that just makes it so much faster than really any other tripod I've used. So it has this like textured rubber grip over the outer legs, which is super nice. First of all, just for handling this. This is a lot grippier and easier to handle than just bare metal would be. But also, if you're just in cold environments like here in Michigan, it's so much easier to grab this than bare metal, because I really can't underestimate how cold bare metal gets in winter conditions like this. So I'm really happy to see this rubber grip on the outside. So this entire tripod kit, including the fluid head that comes with it, is about 8.1 pounds or 3.7 kilograms. The legs themselves here can support up to 33 pounds or 15 kilograms, but paired with this included fluid head, the system as a whole can support about 13.2 pounds or 6 kilograms. So this really has plenty of capacity for at least this size and this price of tripod. So this also has a pretty versatile working height, so you can bring this all the way down to 9.8 inches. Now obviously I still have the center column on right here, but if you remove that, these legs can fold out flat enough that this is pretty much just sitting on the ground, obviously with the added height of the fluid head on top. And then the max height is about 66 inches or 168 centimeters, so pretty wide range of adjustability. There's also this hook on the bottom of the center column if you want to add like some weight to it to add some stability. And then when you're done with it, it packs all the way down to about 28 inches long, which is meant to fit into most suitcases, which is pretty nice for traveling as well. And so that's pretty much it for the main specs of this. If you wanted to compare those capabilities to any other tripod you either already own or are looking into buying. All right, but now I want to get into the coolest and definitely most unique part of this tripod, this hydraulic clutch system. So the height adjustment of all three legs, as well as the level adjustment of this tripod, is all done with this single handle right here. So with one squeeze of this handle and pretty much with one hand, you can adjust this tripod to any height, level it out, let go of the handle, give it a second to settle in place, and you're ready to shoot. Now also, if you just want to use this as a handle to carry this, you can go ahead and close this lever, so this is now just a handle for carrying this around. The whole clutch lever flips 90 degrees, so you can position it pretty much however you want to, both for carrying this around and for actually using it. So like I mentioned earlier, this kit comes with a pretty robust fluid head here that's surprisingly capable, especially for just being included with this whole tripod kit for 400 bucks. So the max capacity of this fluid head is 13.2 pounds. You do have stepless knobs for both panning and tilting to tighten up the drag on them. Now this has a completely fixed counterbalance, so you can't really adjust the counterbalance strength. The counterbalance is pretty much set for right around the middle of the payload rating, which definitely plays into the simplicity of this whole system, but I do wish there was some sort of counterbalance adjustability. But you do of course get that counterbalance adjustment in the bigger, more expensive original Tribex. Now you're also getting a really versatile quick release system here. So there's actually the option to switch between standard Manfrotto plates as well as the DJI RS2 and RS3 plates, obviously depending on the type of quick release plate you use. And the kit itself does include one standard Manfrotto plate as well as a phone mount. And then you just load your rig right from the top here. It snaps in place, tighten this up, and you're good to go. There's also a magnetically stored Allen key right in the fluid head here, so you can pull it out to take your tripod plate off, to take the center column off, and really any other adjustments for this tripod is done with this Allen key right here. And then lastly, the fluid head of course comes with this extending handle right here, so you can adjust the length on it, and you can also swap it from the right side to the left side, or you can just fully remove it if you don't need it at all. I mean, this tripod is really built for the on-the-go adventure travel photographer and videographer that really needs a simple, fast to set up tripod that you can take anywhere with you. Like, it really doesn't matter what type of environment you're in, what type of ground you have, if it's even level at all. This tripod can really be set up and leveled on essentially any surface. So who is this tripod for? I think this is perfect for the travel run and gun filmmaker that's constantly changing terrains and locations. Also for the wedding and documentary filmmaker where you're just constantly on the go. You need to be able to set up and tear down as fast as possible. For those use cases, those types of environments, this thing is almost unbeatable. Like I mentioned earlier, the speed and the portability is just so perfect with this. Really the only downside being how dense this tripod is for its size. It's definitely not a light tripod by any means. But it's still so portable that I personally think that's 100% worth it for just the added speed of this tripod. Now I'm going to leave a link to the Tribex SE down in the description if you want to check it out. Also, huge thanks to SmallRig for sponsoring this video. But that's it for me. Let me know what you think of this thing down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.